dear student of class 6. I hope that you are all fine. Page number 5, 6 and 7. Previous day, usage of have and has done, and today a and some and any. Exercise number B. Exercise number B. Look. Exercise B. Use a and some and any. Don't you worry and try to understand. Today we are going to learn how to use a and some and any. Today we are going to learn how to use a and some and any. Some and any. First, you know, is the first letter of English alphabet. 26 letters in English alphabet. Is the first letter, means ek, n, hik, some, कुछ, any be means कुछ भी. Now a and n. A and use with countable nouns in singular. A and n. A and n use with countable nouns in singular. Now a and n use with countable nouns in singular. Singular means void. बेटा listen, जेको अ ऐं एन आहे आर्टिकल असां हिनखे चवंदा आहियूं इंडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल. उहो असां इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं काउंटेबल नाउन्स. यू नो, नाउन मीन्स नेम, जनरल नेम आर कॉमन आर प्रॉपर कंबाइंड नेम, कॉमन नेम्स, प्रॉपर नेम्स. इन सिंगुलर मीन्स वाहिद, ओनली one thing, one person, one place. Okay, so a and n use with countable nouns in singular, and also we use a before which letters? Two kinds of letter. I think you know two kinds of letters, vowel letters and consonant letters. Total 26 letters and kinds of letters, two kinds of letters, vowel letters and consonant letters. So a use before consonant letters. Consonants. Okay. Example. Suppose a pen, a gift, a table, many more other examples, etc. Now we use before consonants या consonant letters. Okay, examples of pen. P is a consonant and also sound pen consonant. A pen, a gift, a table. Now N use before vowels. N we use before vowels means N असां इस्तेमाल कंदा आहियूं जे वर्ड जो आवाज़ छा हुजे पुट कंहिं सां निकिरे वावल लेटर सां निकिरे मीन्स एग्जाम्पल एन एप्पल एप्पल एन ऑरेंज beta etc many more other examples. Now N we use before vowels. Which vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. And consonant without A, E, I, O, U means B, C, D, F, G. Right? Now once again I will repeat. A, N, some and any. A and N also we call in grammatically we says articles, indefinite articles. Okay, and some and any means some means kuch, any means kuch bhi. Now A and N use with countable nouns. Countable nouns, what is first of all you know noun. Noun is the name of person, place, things or an animal. Noun is the name of person, place, things or an animal. And countable noun, main two groups of noun, major groups. Which groups? Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns we can count it. Countable nouns we can count it. अहिड़ा इसम अहिड़ा नाला जिनके असां गणे सघूं. काउंटेबल मीन्स गणप जोगा जिन शयुनि खे असां गणे सघूं असां उनखे छा चवंदा आहियूं काउंटेबल नाउन्स. We say countable noun which can be counted. Countable means we can count it. And uncountable we can't count it. जंहिंखे असीं गणे नथा सघूं. Okay, now A we use before consonant letters. Example, a pen, a gift, a table, a pencil, a purse, many more examples. And N before vowels. We use before vowels means A, I, O, U. जे वर्ड जो फर्स्ट साउंड vowel letter सां निकिरे असां उन सां कहिड़ो आर्टिकल यूज़ कंदा आहियूं N यूज़ कंदा आहियूं. N means only one. And now some. And now some we use R and any we use countable nouns in plural. Some and any some or any we use some or any we use countable nouns in plural. Singular means only one thing, one person, one place, one animal. And plural means more than two, more than one. Means suppose, and also some example. Some pens, some gifts, some apples, and many more examples. And now also some use in affirmative sentences. Do you know affirmative sentence? No, affirmative means a statement, assertion, bayani. Now any use in negative and questions. Any use in negative and questions. Any use in negative and questions. Examples. And examples, do you know examples of are any? Are there? Example first. Are there any pen? Question. Are there any pen? Other? Are there any gifts? Are there any apples? Are there any apples? Are there any apples? Do you know answer to these questions? No? Okay, don't you worry. I will tell you. Are there any pen? There are. Answer. Now, answer first. There this symbol is apostrophe. There are not. Which say? No, there are not. Pen. Am I right or wrong? Right. Now number second. Are there any gifts? There are not gifts. There are. This is a short form and There is a full form. There are not gifts. Gifts. Now last question. Are there any apples? There aren't apples. Right? Okay. Once again, I will repeat. A and some and any. A and n used with countable nouns in singular, and a used before consonant letters, and we use before vowel letters. Now, examples: a pen, a gift, a table. A pen. A pen. Pen is a singular, only one pen. A gift. Gift is singular, only one gift. A table. Table is only one. So we use a. Now n we use before vowels, and apple, and oranges, and in pot, etc. Some or any. Use countable nouns in plurals. Use countable nouns in plural. Example: some pens, some gifts, some apples, some cats, and many more other examples. Some we use affirmative sentences, any we use in negative and questions. Examples: are there any pens? Are there any gifts? Are there any apples? Are there any cats? Many more examples. There are not pens. There are not gifts. There are not apples. Right, beta? So, a and some we use in this way. Now, exercise number B. Fill in the blank spaces. Try to you on. And this exercise A, B, you will find on. You will fill on. Okay. Now exercise number C. Exercise number C. Beta, one thing I will tell you. Apostrophe. Apostrophe means के खुटल लफ्ज़ जी जाइ ते के खुटल लफ्ज़ ने के खुटल अखर जी जाइ ते का निशानी ॾियण कीअं ॾिसो बाबा. He is. He is. He is. They are. हाणे he is. Full form. His. They are. ठीक आहे. हिते ए मिसिंग आहे, हिते असां अपॉस्ट्रॉफी ॾिनी. हिते आई मिसिंग आहे, हिते असां छा ॾिनी? अपॉस्ट्रॉफी ॾिनी. अची वियो सम्झि बाबा? ओके. नाउ exercise number C. Exercise number Exercise C. Exercise C. Listen. Change these sentences to questions. Change these sentences to questions and then write short yes and no answers. Now first, he has a bicycle. Example, change these sentences into questions. Change these sentences into questions, and then write short answers, and then write short and write short answers. Okay, now first he has a bicycle. Example number 1. Now example, he has a bicycle. He has a bicycle. He has a bicycle. He is a pronoun, yani he ya who. Has is a helping verb of present perfect tense, and a is a article ya first letter of English alphabet. Bicycle is a noun thing. Okay, now he has a bicycle. Now change into question. बेटा क्वेश्चन करना सिर्फ वाट वाई हुज विच वेयर वेन इन्हनि शयुनि जी पुट ज़रूरत न हूंदी आहे. जेके 12 टेंसिस बेटा आहिनि, टेंसिस उन जा हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स जेके हूंदा आहिनि उहे बि असांखे उन्हनि टेंस जे सेंटेंस खे इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव करण लाइ असांखे छा कंदा आहिनि, हेल्प कंदा आहिनि पुट. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. वाट वाई इहे बि पुट क्वेश्चन लाइ आहिनि, पर जेको असां टेंस सिखंदा आहियूं, टेंस पढ़ंदा आहियूं, उन टेंस जा जेके हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हूंदा आहिनि उहे छा कंदा पुट, उहे हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स जो मतिलबु आहे मददगार फेल. उहे असांखे उन टेंस जे सेंटेंस जी आइडेंटिफिकेशन लाइ हूंदा आहिनि. उन्हनि खे क्वेश्चन करण में उहे असांजी छा कंदा आहिनि, हेल्प कंदा आहिनि. जीअं त हाणे ॾिसो, लुक बेटा, चेंज इनटू क्वेश्चन. सो नाउ फर्स्ट we write helping verb. Which helping verb in this sentence? Has. Has we use he, she in singular name, right beta? Okay, now has first change into question. Has. Now we write pronoun. Which pronoun in the sentence? He. So he is, she is a simulative, right? Has he a bicycle? Question mark. Okay, he has a bicycle. हिन वटि हिकु साइकिल आहे. Has he a bicycle? Sure, हिन वटि हिकु साइकिल आहे. Now give me an answer. Do you know answer to this question? No, don't worry. Yes, he has. Okay, now if your answer is negative, you write here, you say no, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. न हिन वटि न आहे. Okay, no, he hasn't. Now other examples, yani 10 sentences you will write on and try to doing this. And now number 1, chalo. Second, he has a kitten. She has a, sorry, not a he, she has a kitten. What kitten? ॿिलीअ जो बच्चो पुत्र. किटन असां छा खे चवंदा आहियूं? ॿिलीअ जे बचड़े खे किटन चवंदा आहियूं. चए थो शी हैज़ अ किटन. नाउ change it to question. First of all we write a helping verb. We write helping. What's the helping verb in the sentence? Has. Okay. Question. First, has she a kitten? Shall not believe it. Okay. Your answer. If your answer is yes, she has. If your answer is negative, no, she hasn't. No, she hasn't. Okay, our exercise B and C are finished. Now page number 6, punctuation practice. Punctuation practice means बिहक जो निशानियों. There are most important 7 punctuation marks. Most important 7 punctuation marks, which full stop, question mark, colon, semicolon, exclamation mark. Okay beta. First full stop, second comma, third question mark, fourth semicolon, fifth colon, sixth exclamation mark, and seventh apostrophe. I have already learned apostrophe, full stop, most. Now exercise now punctuation page number 6, punctuation practice. Punctuation practice. Punctuation practice. Most important 7 punctuation marks. Most important 7 punctuation marks are below. Which first period, also called full stop. Okay, now second comma, now third we say question mark. Okay, now fourth colon. Semicolon. 6. Exclamation mark. Last 7, we say apostrophe. Okay. Now exercise number C. Change these sentences into questions and write short answers. Okay. Example, he has a bicycle. Have and his. Helping verbs of present perfect tense. His we use he, she, and singular names. Have we use I, we use and plural names. Now in this sentence he is a singular. So, which helping verb we use? His. He has a bicycle. Okay, now change into question. First of all, change into question. We write first helping verb. Which helping verb in this sentence? Has. Has he a bicycle? Now, short answer. Yes, he is. If your answer is not, no. If your answer is not, sorry, no. No, he has not. This symbol is apostrophe. She has a kitten. Has she a kitten? Yes, she has. No, she has not. And punctuation practice. Read this line. Read this paragraph. Sorry, not a line. Read the beginning of the story. Again, as far as was a bad wizard. Notice where the full stops, commas and question marks are, then add them to this passage. Now, composition, tahreer, and page number 7, name and age. Hamid says, Hamid chayo, said, hello, what's your name? Tawanjo nalo Shah hai. Salim says, Salim chayo. या चवे सलीम सेस माय नेम इज सलीम व्हाट्स योर नेम मुंहिंजो नालो सलीम आहे तव्हांजो नालो छा आहे हामिद सेस आई एम हामिद आई एम 12 हाउ ओल्ड आर यू सो नाउ बेटा लास्ट लर्न माय नेम इज देश यू राइट योर नेम हाउ ओल्ड आर यू योर एज यू राइट माय फादर्स Desh, which profession? Your father. I am Desh, your age. Now this today our first lesson complete. I hope that you all understanding and thank you so much. Inshallah I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. God bless you.